Hello, my name is Lily. I am 8 years old. Good morning. I wake up in the morning. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I stretch my hands. I stretch my legs. I feel good. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. The water is cool. I brush my teeth. I brush slowly. My teeth are clean. I take a bath. I dry my body. I feel fresh. I comb my hair. I wear my clothes. I wear my shoes. Now I feel hungry. It is breakfast time. I eat my breakfast. I eat slowly. I drink milk. I eat fruits. Breakfast is yummy. I take my school bag. I check my books. I am ready for school. I say bye to my family. I go to school. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, Quo.